In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for project management. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use project list built from a proven template, so you can start organizing work with clear structure and less setup time. First, head to ClickUp in your browser. Once your workspace loads, make sure you're in the area where you manage your teams and projects. ClickUp's interface can vary slightly depending on your plan and layout, but the core actions are the same. Next, open the space where you want this project to live. Think of a space as a top-level container for a department, team, or major initiative. Choosing the right space upfront keeps your permissions, views, and automations consistent. If you're ever unsure, place it in your general operations space so everyone who needs it can find it. Inside that space, look for the plus icon. This is your shortcut to create new items. Click it to start adding a new list. A list is where your tasks will live, grouped with shared statuses, custom fields, and views. From the creation options, choose Templates. Templates are a huge time saver because they come preloaded with workflows, task statuses, and helpful views like list, board, and calendar. Instead of reinventing the wheel, you'll start with a structure that already works. In the template modal, use the search bar and type Project Management. This narrows the gallery to frameworks designed specifically for planning, tracking, and delivering projects. Browse the results and click any project management template that looks right for your team. You can preview the template to see its statuses, custom fields, and included views. For example, some templates lean agile with sprints and backlogs, while others keep it simple with phases like to do, in progress, and done. Pick one that matches how your team actually works today. When you found a good fit, click Use Template. You may see options to include or exclude certain elements. The defaults are typically a solid starting point. You can always refine after the list is created. Now give your list a clear, searchable name. Use something descriptive like Website Redesign Q3 or Client Onboarding Q, Marketing. A consistent naming convention helps with reporting and cross-team visibility. Finally, click Use Template again to confirm. ClickUp will generate your new list inside the selected space, complete with statuses, fields, and views ready to go. From here, you can review the included tasks or samples, tailor fields to your team's needs, and switch between views to see timelines and workload. And that's it. Your project management foundation is set, so you can focus on planning, assigning, and delivering work with confidence.